looking good.
It's looking good? This is fun, huh? This is beautiful. I like how thick you put it on there, Kimberly.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm going to put mine thicker. Ooh, that looks pretty. I love the red. I'm going to use yellow.
This is my favorite color.
Red?
Yeah.
That's Mama's favorite color.
Wow, that is beautiful.
It is beautiful. So use red?
Okay.
What were you doing?
Painting.
Show me your hands. Wow!
I want to see.
I'm taking a video so you can see in a little bit. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Can you say thank you, Grandma Mary?
Thank you, Grandma Mary.
Okay.